Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be playing Animal Jam. It is 4:58 right now. Not PM, AM. I woke up early and I'm just gonna play right now because I'm bored and that's what I'm just gonna try to trade good. You know, just try to just try to trade good. And I'm on my daily spin right now. Oh, I got 2 diamonds. Yes. Well, the person looks cool. I think I've seen this person before. And yeah, I just want to try to trade people today. I guess I'll give them my pet. This menu pet. If you guys don't know about that, I'll just give them my blue pet. That one's kind of ugly, to be honest. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured. Okay, I may get that. Should I trade them? A chair. Scam, just kidding. I have a feeling they might accept, to be honest. It's taking them so long. Oh, they couldn't trade right now. That's kind of sad, but okay. No random. They see them, and I'm your best friend then. Oh my god, guys, they said I said. Oh my god, that's actually really funny. Well, since I got a few diamonds, I guess I'm gonna go to the shop and go get something. Okay. Let's go to this one. Click. I thought this was one. Oh. There's nothing I can get that's not. Like these people suck. Yeah. Guys, there's a new jammer. Okay, it's probably something. I'm betting her shows Cuckoo. I like Cuckoo people. Really bad one to pick someone. Oh, I like that shade. Yeah, I'll give them one pet for it. I think they're gonna click accept because I don't think they have a penguin yet, and they're wolf, and wolf non-members go crazy for penguins actually. Oh my god, I was so wrong. I'm just trading today, just so many like they decline. Oh my god, there's a dire wolf that just walked in. Oh my god, dire wolf, buddy. Please, buddy. Wow, this person looks pretty, and they're number 2. Oh, they go. Oh my god, they buddy. Let's look at their paintings. So I love animal jam. Oh, that's cute. There's, I don't know what that is. I guess that's just a monster. That's also cute. That's actually really cute. That's my favorite one. First. Actually, I am new. I'm not lying. It might not say new jammer on mine, but I am still. So I don't know. I guess not there. This person actually looks really cool. Yeah, buddy. Best dress, but I think it's under the water. Yeah, okay. Guess I'm playing best dress under the water. New theme, dress up the most like seaweed. Okay, seaweed. Seaweed is green, of course. And like it's also dark. That's orange and seaweed. Yeah, I guess that's. That's my seaweed person. Comment down below if you think I did good on first round. Okay? And yeah, I think actually with my seaweed stuff. I'm gonna put this my because I'm happy right now. First, I mean probably the best person for seaweed. No one dressed up green. Well, I guess it's person. That dolphin right there. Guys, vote for her. Wow, there's so many people that won first place and I won third. Well, I feel rejected. But look at my penguin, he's still dancing. You can obviously see he's right there. New theme, dress up the best for, what does it say, winter? Well, I'm gonna wear white. It's like, that's like a color for winter. Yeah, I look like a winter girl. That's a dress. So, in winter, you know, always gotta wear some color. You know, get some armor. Or you need to wear like something. At least this will just be my jacket. That'll just be my jacket. And there's no. That's so. I'm just probably gonna do that. Yeah, okay, that's good. How come people dress so bad on this one?
I think it's
That's me, guys. Vote for me. Round 2, vote for me. I guess. I don't even know all of them are so bad. And now, the winners. Man. They probably only picked them because, like, they're pretty. Boy, you don't dress up like that for winter, to be honest. New theme, dress up the angriest. That's easy because I'm angry right now. Angry is usually a red color. And my eyes would be black. Not being racist, by the way. Oh, angriest. Well, I guess angry people can wear that, right? Oh, I just realized I picked happy eyes. Yeah, that's better. I look angry, actually. No! I was gonna click those wings to make me look angrier. Oh my god. I think the best person looks like this penguin right here. Guys, I'm voting for him. I'm gonna do, like, that's me right here, Batman bangs, cause, like, you know. I'm not even first place. Like, I swear the back row is not getting any winners. Youth. Okay, dress up the most like a warrior. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna wear gray, like armor. I'm gonna have, like, not murder eyes, like, just. Well, probably those eyes. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna wear that. That. There, she's my buddy. I should put step. So we're gonna play step. The Warriors also good schools, by the way. Yeah, I'm a good warrior. That's me, guys, right there. I guess I'm gonna do the warrior face like this one. Or can we do that one? The best one looks like this one to me. That's silver right there. This is the third round. Please vote. Comment down below. Who best dressed. And now the winners. She's always winning. I bet she's all friends with these people and telling them to pick her. That's it. I'm out. Oh my god. I'm out, guys.
I think I was going too fast. Oh my gosh,
Well, anyways, since that happened, I guess I can play a different game. Like, let's do
rematch because I want to win.
Someone can join me.
Whenever I win that.
Anyone can join me. Okay. I'm gonna, yes. Hopefully I win. So that's why you gotta match the orders if you don't know this game. You gotta match the exact orders, what it tells right here. I think I'm losing right now. It's because I was explaining to you guys. Yeah. Oh my god. I clicked the yellow. Yeah. person